and change this switch here. You just need to pop up this panel here, and it just comes off, and then pull out all the connectors. I already loosened them all, so they're just going to come out. Now this little clip here stayed in, so pull it out, and now see there, the clip is there. So we just need to put this clip back. So now we need to pop out this thing here, switch, so pry it a little bit. See those little tabs right there. Okay, so you pop this side up, come over here and just pop that side up, switch comes out. Just take the new switch and you'll snap it in. Okay, once you get the switch in, just snap the connectors back on the back of the switches. Put this over, and then there's a little tab here, You get those in, that's it. Just pops right in. Whole thing takes maybe 2-3 minutes.